Hey, it's Dina from WTI. Something that has quickly become one of my favorite things in the kitchen are these collapsible food storage containers from Amazing Containers. We have a limited amount of space in our kitchen, so anything that can be collapsible or a smaller size is definitely a win for us. I love that I can collapse these down without any issue, and they're made from strong silicone that can withstand being in the microwave or even the freezer. I was impressed at how it kept the bananas that I froze from getting too much ice on them from being in the freezer. And I love having them in my fridge because I know that they're not going to spill over and create a mess. We also use them to hold things in our cupboard like nuts or chips, and they don't get stale, they stay fresh. I like that you can remove the top tab when you're microwaving. It gives it a little bit of an air vent. And if you notice that it seems like the container isn't airtight, you might need to just adjust that or make sure that the seal around the lid is completely clean and pressed firmly onto the container. These really are amazing containers. I think that the brand name is perfect. I'm so happy I have them in my kitchen. If it's something that you're looking for, then I suggest you check them out, and that's my point of view.